Okay, so here we come with our first snag. So I've been doing the same thing that I've been doing this whole time. I've added my mask and I'm painting with black to uncover layer number 4 or me number 4. And when I try to get this other leg, it's not really all there. I guess I am getting a little bit here, but I've lost like the toe and I've lost a whole calf here. Not like the moo calf, but my leg. And so the answer has to do with these two masks. When I was using the mask to uncover the layer below, I didn't quite uncover enough. So I check my masks above and I start trying to paint it in. And there it is. That's the one where I've lost it. If it wasn't this one, then I could have checked number 1 as well to make sure that it wasn't the one that had the information that I needed. Once I've done that, then I go back to my mask that I'm currently working on, the one on number 3, and then I can come back in and use my white brush to add a little bit more information from the layers above, if I need it. Now I also need to pay attention to where my shadows are. Since I've got overlapping people here, I've got to be careful because I've just lost a little bit of shadow right here. So I'll undo that so you can see. So pay attention when you're doing that initial go over with the black brush that you don't lose information that you want to keep. And again, here is a spot where I will need to come back to my other layers and see if one of them is not allowing it to work. And it looks like that's the one. So I've done that and I go back to my number 4 and keep working. Now the last step is just to kind of move in real close to all the areas of your picture and just make sure you haven't missed anything. Remember that if a mask isn't working, you either switch colors or you switch to a different mask or keep changing to each mask in turn and see which one it is that is covering or uncovering something it shouldn't. So let me move in here so you can see. You're just looking for inconsistencies, things that don't look right, like maybe I lost a finger or a foot or something like that at some point when I was doing this. These are the kind of things that I'm looking for. I'm just moving all around my image through every me in here and making sure that nothing looks off. And I think I really pretty much have everything covered. So, surprise to me, usually there's something I need to fix, but in this case, it looks like it worked out just fine. And then when you're ready to save it first as a Photoshop so that if you want to come back and change it later, you can do that. And then I always save things as JPEG, so I've got a smaller file that I can share. Okay, so go out and take some pictures and then come in here and do some editing and make a really cool time lapse. Enjoy the project.